Today's story is We're Roaming in the Rainforest, an Amazon adventure by Laurie, Krebs and Anne Wilson. Rainforest sunrise, the dark fades away and everyone eagerly greets the new day. Have a look really closely. What animals can you see? Fly, squawk the parrots from branches and twigs. We'll swoop down to breakfast on ripe, juicy figs. Jump, chatter monkeys, or swing if you dare. We'll hang by our tails and then leap through the air. Snooze, yawn the sloths, all ready to doze. We'll nap in the trees and we'll cling by our toes. Swim, gurgle pink river dolphins with pride. We'll nuzzle our calves while we swim side by side. Sip, murmur butterflies higher in the sky. We'll lunch upon nectar as we flutter by. Watch, snap the caimans with wide awake eyes. We'll offer our prey an unwelcome surprise. Hide, croak the colourful poison dart frogs. We'll burrow down under the moss-covered logs. March, order leafcutter ants on parade. We'll bury our cuttings in the gardens we've made. Spin, hum the spiders, perfecting a snare. We'll capture our supper. Would you like to share? Scoot, hiss the gecko and lizard and snake. We'll skitter and scamper and slither and shake. Crouch, growl the jaguars as dusk closes in. We'll hide until dark when our hunt can begin. Hush, whisper otters to pups in a heap. We'll cuddle together till we fall asleep. Rainforest sunset, the moon's on the rise and everyone